Nothing better than a fresh cup of coffee.
Yeah, hard never ruling my effort, shine like a jeweler in a spectator sport. I'm still defying my viewers, forget the statistics. I think individualistic, I ritualistic. I'm finna blow up like some ballistics. Mile a minute, I give them inches to speculate. Extend the access to information, I educate. I dodge traffic like interstates in my inner space. It's never hard to remind on my own documents. I'm seeking truth that runs deeper than Rome's monuments. The loneliest, lost a few friends, gained some associates. Sparking up the brains of the future like it's petroleum. Beautiful days, back my philosophy, dodge debauchery, claiming monopoly over the real dough. Exchanging currency like Venmo, taking them back like a Nintendo. Wattage over the project, shining light in my window. Rebel to America, write the bras with a pen stroke. Slaughter my for myself daily. I fight the odds like I'm Don Staley, pushing my flow like the Euphrates. Since the 80s been moving, all my theories been proven. Know the government proceed to succeed, give it confusion, the mind of Confucius. I keep it simple but productive. My train of thought is corrupted like volcanoes erupted. Yo, I see it all, learn the price to pay the bar. Seen the rise of man, only the fall. That's why I fight for my cause. Yeah. It's Jay Nolan, Al Nimbus. That's a quick one. Peace.